At the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can make $1,000 plus in the next 24 hours creating digital art. And before you skip this video, no, you do not have to be artistic, do not need to have any skills, okay? As long as you can watch this video, follow my directions, you'll be able to make loads of money creating digital art. So here's the concept. So you'll be creating digital paintings, hand-drawn painting, hold it, okay, hand-drawn paintings of people and making at least $200 per image. So watch this video till the end. Like I said, okay, you do not have to be an artist, okay? As long as you watch this video, you're gonna be, and if you follow it, you'll be making loads of money. Let's get started right now. Okay, so the first thing that you have to do is convert a real photo into a digital painting. Trust me on this. Watch this video because you're gonna love it. So let's go and find a photo. I'm gonna go and find a photo of my friend here, Nikesh. He looks like an Arab prince here. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna go to this tool called Suncatcher Studio. Now this tool, I'll put the link on the description. But if it's not available, just go ahead and Google turn a photo into painting. Okay, let's go ahead and select this file right here. I'm gonna go and select this file. I'm going to choose high up here. I'm going to click on upload. Now it's going to go ahead and turn this painting into a basic outline, right? So take a look at this, okay? Let's go ahead and make sure that our brush size is kind of small. Let's see. Let's play with it. We want to make sure that it looks decent, right? So if I do like 15, it's going to look weird. Watch, okay? It's going to look... okay, it looks weird, right? So let's go ahead and make the brush size about 5. I think that's a good one. So let's a little bit more, okay? A little bit more. We can't make it look like it's all real, okay? Once you have it like this, go ahead and download it, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and download a PNG version, okay? And next up, what you need to do is you need to download a tool on your iPhone, okay, or your Android, and it's better if you have an iPad. It's called Procreate. Now, this is a paid tool, but you can also use the free version as well. You don't need to buy it. Trust me on that, okay? So go ahead and download this tool on your iPhone or your iPad, okay, or your Android device, okay? And then we're gonna go ahead and import the photo that we just built. This one right here. We're gonna go ahead and import this photo. We're gonna go ahead and import this photo into the Procreate app, okay? And then we're gonna go ahead and brush it up. So let's get on my iPad right now. Don't go anywhere, okay? Let's get on my iPad. I'm actually on my Procreate app right here. So once you go ahead and install it, you should have it. Let's go ahead and click on the photo up here once you have it. And you should have imported both of the photos, okay? So the original one right here, okay? You should import this one. You should also go ahead and import the painting. So let's go ahead and import the painting right here. It's super easy. So once you have it like this, very easy, click on this little tab right here. This is layers, okay? Click on this, okay? Very easy. Go ahead and click on this little button right here. Let's go ahead and click on sketching. Now, keep in mind, people are not going to pay you a lot of money if it doesn't look like you actually worked on it, right? So you're going to go ahead and pretend that you actually painted this whole thing. So how do you do that? So first of all, what I would do is like, pretty much go through, make sure you're on a new layer, okay? Go ahead and just like, pretend to like actually do it like this, okay? You see what I did, right? Do it like that. Make sure just be, I think it's super easy. You don't have to be perfect. That's the whole part about paintings, is the fact that it doesn't have to be perfect, okay? So you see what I did here, right? So just do these things. Just make it look like you actually worked on it. Take a look at this. We're gonna turn Nikesh into a real painting. See what I mean, right? So I think you guys get an idea. So you should do this. See how it looks really real now? I didn't do anything special. All I'm doing is just pretending to like just make this, okay? It's not digital art anymore because I'm actually working on it. Now, for the face, here's what I recommend. So go ahead and pick a color, okay? And keep in mind that the coloring, it doesn't really matter too much as long as it's like, decent. So just go through it. You see what I did here, right? So It doesn't have to be perfect. You'll see the outlines here already. So all you're doing is just making it better. Okay, all you're doing is just making it better so that people appreciate it more. So let's go ahead and add that. So once you just do this, okay, you see what I did. Okay, so we did that, and then for the eyes, just outline it like this. It has to look somewhat real, right? So do what you can, okay? And this is a really creative way to make money, because take a look at this. It's fun to create this as well. So for the coloring, like I said, just pick just I think most of the time I'm just using black, and black seems to be doing most of the work. Let's go and pick black one more time. Okay, and you see what I did. So this is all you have. Just go through it, spend some time, guys. Okay, you have to spend at least 20 minutes, 30 minutes on this. Okay, so just like I said, I'm gonna do this one right here one more time. I'm gonna click on this nose. See, I'm not doing anything crazy. All I'm doing is just following the outline, and the system has already done most of the work for us, right? So it has already done most of the work for us, and all we have to do is just make it seem like, hey, this was hand painted. Okay, see, like, do that. I mean, like I said, I'm not a great artist either, but you see how it's starting to actually come out and look good, right? And most of the work is done through black pen. Okay, it's just shading. Okay, you're pretty much doing that. Okay, and at the end, make sure to sign it like that. Okay, see how it looks much better now? See what I did? So let's go and take a look at our original one right here, which was this now versus that. Take a look at this. It looks much more like a real painting. So I think you guys are ready to actually make some money with this. Let's go. Sorry for interrupting right now, but please, if you're loving this video, you're gonna love all the videos that I make on my channel for making money, sales, marketing. I want you to have a successful life, so I create these videos. The best you can do for me is to subscribe and share these videos. Please subscribe right now. Thank you. Let's get back on the video. Okay, so once you have practiced a little bit with your photos, your family's photo, next is to actually make money from it. So first thing that you'll do is you'll get on Canva, you'll create a flyer just like this, okay? I'll put a link on the description so you can get a copy as well. So create a description just like this, okay? It has to talk about getting their loved ones hand painted. That's the whole word. Okay, you're gonna say get your loved one's photo hand painted. Okay, and make sure to charge at least $100. Okay, it's perfect as gift. Okay, print ready. So you also put your name and information here as well. Okay, and you're gonna go ahead and find customer two ways. Okay, the first one is super easy. You're gonna get on Facebook Marketplace, create a new listing, and post this ad. Super easy. Okay, I'm not gonna show you this step by step. I think you can figure it out. Now, next one is super nice, because you're gonna get on Instagram and type up hashtag just got married. Now, you're gonna find people who just got, well, obviously married. So these people are on high emotional state, meaning they will most likely say yes to whatever you ask them to. So here, you're gonna go ahead and find some of these people, click on it like this, okay? So she's a woman, so just message her, follow her, and say, hey, I just DM'd you, and say, hey, I would love to go ahead and convert this photo into a digital art. I will hand paint it on my iPad for you. Would you be interested? So ask for that, and most people at this time will say yes. Go ahead and do it. Okay, after that, you can charge people on PayPal, Zelle, credit card, whatever you want. So that's how you can find customers. So okay, so that's it. Okay, that's all you have to do. So if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and subscribe, because I create videos like these to help you succeed. So please subscribe right now and share this with a friend, because he or she might be thankful to you. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you on the next video.